In front of me is Google Pixel 8i, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers on this device. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts, select Add Contact, and click on the one that you wish to set up. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. If you want to remove one of your contacts, click on this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to change order of your contacts, click on Reorder at the top right corner. Drag them to create a perfect list, and when you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!